Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to continue NCERT class 4 chapter 11 the value of flowers. In my previous video we have done the parts of flower, amazing features of flower, Madhubani painting and uses of flowers. In this video we will cover NCERT question answers and some practice question of this chapter. Chapter 11 The Valley of Flower. In the hills of Uttaranchal, earlier its name was Uttaranchal, now it is Uttarakhand. There is a place where there are flowers everywhere. This place is called the Valley of Flowers. Valley of Flowers is famous for its diversity in flora and fauna. You will find different varieties of plants and animal there. You will find around 300 different varieties of alpine flower which form a beautiful carpet of the flowers that make it Valley of Flowers. Now children, close your eyes and imagine that you have reached such a place. How does it feel? Which song do you feel like singing? Have you ever seen so many flowers grow together anywhere? Where? Yes, we have seen so many flowers growing together in the park, in our society, in our garden. How many different color flowers have you seen? Yellow, red, pink, magenta, white, purple, and blue. There are several types of flower color we can find there. Next is the world of flowers. Here are some pictures of flowers. Mark a tick on the flowers which are you can recognize and also write the name of that flower. First is first flower name is hibiscus. Next is rose, sunflower, marigold, champa, jasmine, tulsi, रात की रानी, guldudi. From the pictures given above, and the other flowers that you know, give the name of two which grow on trees, gulmohar and pallas, grow on bushes, rose and hibiscus, grow on creepers, pumpkin and watermelon, grow on water plant, lotus and water lily, bloom only at night. This is Raat Ki Rani and moonflower. Bloom in the day, morning glory and sunflower. These are the name of some flowers which grow on tree, bushes, creepers, water plant and bloom only at night and bloom in the day. Which flowers can you recognize by their scent even with your eyes closed? Yes, these are rose and jasmine. Which flowers bloom all the year round? Yes, Sadabar and rose plants flower bloom all the year. Which flowers bloom only in the certain months? Yes, there are several flowers which bloom only in certain months, like marigold and tulip flowers. Next is, are there any trees or plants which never have any flowers? Yes, it is money plant. Money plant never have any flowers. Next is blooming birds. You must have seen birds on the plants. If there are any flower bearing plants growing near your school or home, look carefully at their bird. What difference do you find between a flower and a bird? As you can see in this picture, this is the picture of a flower and this is the picture of a bird. The bird is small and pointed, which develop into a flower, and a flower is a large and spread out. Can you tell how many days will a bird take to bloom into a flower? Yes, it takes 4 to 5 days for a bird to bloom into a flower. It was a rose plant. Here you can see the bud of a rose plant and rose flower. Next is so many uses of flower. Flower are even eaten. In Uttar Pradesh, people enjoy eating a vegetable made up of a kachnar flower. It is commonly known as orchid tree, camel foot tree. Kachnar flowers help to keep our digestive system healthy. This is the picture of kachnar flower. Next is in Kerala, people cook vegetable made of banana flowers. Banana flowers are very effective in treating infection in natural ways. Next is in Maharashtra, people love pakoras made of sahajan flour. They are also known as drumstick flowers. Flowers in medicine. Flowers are used to make many medicine as well. Find out the names of any two flowers which are used for making medicines. Cedar and the rose are used for making medicines. How is rose water used in your houses? Is it used as medicine, sweets, lassi or something else? Find out and tell to others. Colors from the flower. Colors are made from many flowers like marigold, genie. These colors can also be used to dye clothes. You may have heard of some of the granny's old recipes which use flowers. Here is a recipe for which rose water is used. Mix equal part of rose water and glycerin. Fill this in a water bottle. Add a few drops of lemon juice. In the winter, use this mixture on your skin. Your skin will not crack or dry. Find out and write the names of some flowers that are used for making colors. These are rose, saffron, hibiscus. Can you think of a color of which there is no flower? Yes. Grey and silver, there is no flower found of this color. Write the names of such flower which are used to make scent. Yes, it is lavender, jasmine, rose. Have you experienced the smell or opening a small bottle of itr? Do you know even a small bottle of itr is made from loads and loads of flour? The Kannauj district in Uttar Pradesh is famous for itr. Truckloads of flour are brought from neighboring area. For this purpose, itr, rose water, kevra water are prepared from the flowers here. Thousands of people in Kannauj are engaged in this work. Now, some question answer related to this chapter. Question number 1. Valley of Flower National Park is located at Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Bihar, Sikkim. So, correct answer is Uttarakhand. What is shown in Madhubani paintings? Animals, human being, trees, all of them. So, correct answer is all of them. Question number 3. Madhubani paintings are made out of paste of dash in which color has been mixed. Wheat flour, powdered rice, gram flour, rice grain. Yes, it is powdered rice. Which of these flowing district of Uttar Pradesh is famous for itr? Goa, Kannauj, Agra, Jhansi. It is Kannauj district. A compact knob-like growth on a plant is called flower, bud, leaf, stem. It is bud. This is the picture of a bud. Which paintings are made out of a paste of powdered rice in which color has been used? A mixed rice painting, pulse painting, Madhubani painting, none of them. It is Madhubani painting. Which of the following ingredients are used to prepare Granny's recipe to prevent cracked and dry skin in winter? Rose water, glycerin and lemon juice, rose water, Dettol and lemon juice, cumin powder, glycerin and lemon juice, coffee powder, Lysol and lemon juice. The correct answer is rose water, glycerin and lemon juice. Why one should not pluck flowers from the garden and park? They are the gifts of nature. Yes, it is true. They look more beautiful when they are on the plant. It is also true. They help in formation of seeds. It is also true. So correct answer is all of these. Question number 9 is which of the following flowers grow on creepers? Rose and hibiscus, watermelon and pumpkin, gulmohar and palash, ratrani and moonflower. So correct answer is watermelon and pumpkin. Which of the following is the female part of the flowers? Sepal, petal, carpel, stamen. So correct answer is carpel. Madhubani art is a style of Indian painting. This painting is done with a variety of tools. Which of the following tools are used in Madhubani painting? Twins, matchsticks, brushes and nib pen, all of these. So correct answer is all of these. In Madhubani painting we use twins, matchstick, brushes and nib pen. Which of the following part of the flower protects the flower before it blossoms? Stamen, carpel, petal, sepal. So correct answer is sepal. Sepal protect the flower before it blossoms. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel.